Susan Chana Lask has been with us during the course of our session here today. Susan, given the proceeding that's taking place now, which is focusing on the issues of support and dollars, does Judge Karen Cassidy care at all about allegations of sexual misconduct, allegations that the governor might have had a homosexual relationship while he was the governor, or allegations that this driver might have witnessed or participated in sexual relations with the governor's wife? Does any of that have any bearing on this issue?
No. Judges don't really want to hear that. Let them bring it into another court, which will be the third phase with her libel and her other fraud claims. Usually judges want to get down to the nitty-gritty of the calculations, the money. Marital fault does not play a role in this at all.
How critical or instrumental are these experts to a judge's ultimate decision?
It was very critical. Her testimony was pretty convincing, and of course the wife is going to bring her expert, which I'm sure is going to be just as convincing, and the judge is going to have to weigh the matter and come up with a decision. But it's very critical and it's very helpful. It was very helpful for me just to listen to what she had said. His earning capacity seems to be anywhere from 60 to 100, which is what he was making at the same time. And when she says he's radioactive, that's a harsh word, because I feel that if he was creative enough to become mayor and governor at one point, I think he's creative enough to find himself a job to support this family.
Yeah. If the judge, in fact, is confronted, as you suggested, as we can imagine, one expert saying, no, he has limited capabilities, another expert saying, he has all sorts of capabilities, how does the judge resolve that? How does the judge decide that?
We balance. Judges will balance it. She's going to weigh the testimony, credibility. This one expert seemed to me very credible, and she did her job very well, and she presented some good evidence, and she qualified as an expert. They're going to have to bring in just as good qualified expert to come in and say that he could do better than he can. Personally, this man seems to be stuck in about $100,000 average job.
Also, our thanks to Susan Chana Lask for spending some time with us. Susan, we appreciate your joining us also and giving us the benefit of your expertise.